I am Mukul Singla, IIT Delhi graduate and a data scientist by profession. Today we will discuss conceptually about stock market. Friends, most of you must be thinking that stock market is a way to earn lot of money in a very short interval. And remaining of you must be thinking it is a way extremely opposite that it is a way to losing money in no time. Why this difference of opinion? Guys, today we will discuss these aspects in a bit more detail. Guys, first we should understand what is stock market. Stock market is just like a normal market. Like a normal market, it is just the buyers and sellers. A buyer want to buy something at X price and seller want to sell something at Y price. When X and Y matches, a trade is executed. That is what stock market is. It is just those stocks, and those stocks are backed by actual business entities. That is all about stock market. And how to earn profit in such a market? There is only single way to earn profit in any market. Since no value addition is being done, so you have to make sure you are buying at a lower price and selling at a higher price. So in other way, you are buying at when it is undervalued and selling when it is overvalued. Now here the biggest problem is what is the right price. When I will say that it is undervalued, when I will say it is overvalued. To understand this, we need to understand how in a market prices are decided. In a market, prices are decided like the core economic principle of demand and supply. When demand is less, prices are less, and when demands are high, prices are going to short term. This is how prices are decided in a stock market. So to find out the price, what we need to do, we need to create a data model, and we need to feed in this data model information about all the sellers and all the buyers and the prices at which they want to sell and they want to buy. If such a model is there, we can predict. But this model is bound to as diverse as human behaviors are. To create a perfect model which work in this way, we have to wait till the time science is able to predict human behavior. So at this time, in current scenario, it is all about gut feeling of investors, which is similar to gambling. Okay, we can't predict the prices, but we can't predict the prices, but we can manipulate it. How to manipulate it? Suppose there is A who has lot of money and who has lakhs of share of Reliance Industries. Let's suppose now he want to exit from that position. He won't exit it as it is. What he will do? He will spread a few positive news about Reliance. Then he will buy few more shares. What will happen? Demand will increase. Positive news is already there, so its price will keep on increasing, and it will create that virtuous cycle, that because people are buying and price is increasing, because price is increasing people are buying, because actually they are making some profit at a target price. This a our investor will start selling those stocks. So for him, for this manipulator, which we also call operator, it is like a stock market is a game. He won't win every time, but most of the time he will win because he is controlling the market. Okay, for me, for yourself, we don't want to gamble, and we don't have lot of money to operate. What should we do? Guys, we should do calculate risk. We should do calculate guesses. How can we do that? See, every stock is backed by a business. Now that business, the way that business is performing in the longer term, the stock is bound to work according to that. In shorter term, it can be played by gamblers, it can be played by operators, but in the longer term, if Reliance is performing very good, then in longer term, stock is definitely bound to follow. So we just need to understand what are those fundamental patterns. What can be those fundamental patterns? Let's discuss those. Suppose if a company, if Reliance have a good debt position, it has a good profit loss statement, it has a good cash flows, then it is definitely bound to do good. On top of that, if a company has very honest management, hard working management with a very fantastic track record. Plus industry, the industry in which it is, like suppose the Reliance have Geo, telecom industry is bound to do good, especially after this lockdown. Now it is bound to do good, right? It is this type of industry is bound to prosper because they have every positive parameter in their favor. So this is how fundamental analysis is done. This is what an intelligent investor should do. Calculated cash. So in summary, guys, stock market is not a winning or losing game, but on the other hand, stock market is like a market where buyers and sellers are matched. To make profit in such a market, don't do gambling. We don't have money to operate, so what should we do? We should do calculate risk. We should do put our efforts in understanding what are those parameters which impact the health of business, and all the parameters which impact the health of business, those are considered fundamental parameters, and it is those parameters which will increase our probability of winning. Guys, by doing this you will be taking a calculated risk and you will increase your probability of winning manifold. It is this probability that will make you an intelligent investor at the end. Thank you.